Time is the real luxury. When you realize that it can't be bought, you search for the means to make it. Leverage time and market knowledge with The Black Book, Dubai's heritage collection to match your distinct spirit.
Very close now. Been there? I wouldn't say so. It's as if every time I experience this place, I become a better version of myself. Looking after yourself and what you call home is about self-expression. It's about who you are. I'm simply choosing who I want to be. Moments are nothing but pieces of time due to be forgotten. But then, they aren't.
All that, and it's only half of you talking.
This place is euphoric. I call it